Welcome to the last video in our four-part series. To recap, in part one, we covered what a digital and agile stage gate process looked like. In the second video, we showed you how to explore new applications for a product. In the third video, we then showed how we extended to find new validation partners. And now we'd like just to summarize the key takeaways for what it takes to be successful in innovating. So in this case study that we shared with you in the last two videos, you saw that it took about a year and a half. The first 4 months, we were able to uncover the best 9 market segments, and then from there hone down to the top 3. We found the top 2 competitive materials that the client needed to position against, including the top 2 features, both the performance technology data as well as the market application. And then lastly, we were able to uncover a list of comparative data, the competitive data that was really critical in order for the applications to fit correctly. We then extended into the validation phase, and that was broke out into re-engaging the top 3 market segments with the right application concepts, not material concepts at this stage, application concepts. And then we honed in on the right 2 of the top 3 to hone in on. The one market was initially abandoned. However, the R&D at that specific client was able to develop a new developmental product and, of course, then re-engage the consumer product market in that case study. In that last phase, too, we were able to uncover 50 companies that were interested. The client chose the 25 validation partners that made the most sense and then reached out to initiate trials. So what is the benefits of an agile and digital stage gate? First of all, we see across the board, and we have literally done hundreds of these programs over the last 18 years, we see an estimate of between 3 and 5 times overall savings of what it by doing it agile and digitally versus a traditional stage gate process. We also see upwards of 200% success rate, and of course time is money, between 30 and 70% overall cost savings as well. So now let's summarize what we've learned together over the last 3 videos. The first is the more interactions and the better quality interactions you can get from external markets, the better your chances are for success. You're going to have a higher degree of certainty. You're going to have, of course, lower cost and quicker speed. Secondly, agile methods can be applied to chemicals R&D. And it's best done through online third parties like ourselves, SpecialChem. We can go out anonymously to gather that input. Of course, the customer downstream does not know it's you until you decide to reach out and contact them. Thirdly, digital channels enhance agility. We use more than one digital channel. We have multiple digital channels, plus usually a follow-up phone call as well. And all together we can use to gather a wide variety of missing information. And then lastly, by working through us, you can make sure that your IP is protected. You're able to test out those ideas and the prototypes. And of course, we've talked about acceleration, right? Get much quicker to the end result. So in conclusion, I'd love to invite you to continue the dialogue with us. We have a great diagnostic process, of course, under NDA, that we can talk through and brainstorm with you what your goals are, the timing needs, who you're trying to reach, what questions you're trying to get answered, to give you the confidence and security of knowing that your product launch will be effective. So please reach out, and I wish you a good day. Thank you for watching.